In this video, I'll discuss how to use HLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. If your data is organized into horizontal rows, the HLOOKUP function allows you to search for a value in the first row of your data table and return a corresponding value from another row. So let me define HLOOKUP a little bit for you. HLOOKUP in Excel stands for horizontal lookup. It's a function that helps you to find information in a table organized horizontally. Imagine your data is arranged like a spreadsheet with categories listed in the first row. HLOOKUP allow you to search for a specific value in that first row and then return data from the corresponding row. Okay, so this was the definition of HLOOKUP. But the easiest way to understand this function is through an example. So here, as you can see, I have some data in my spreadsheet and it's organized horizontally. This data could consist of hundreds of rows, and if I want to search for something in this, I can't do it manually or it will take me forever to do that. That's when we use HLOOKUP. So let's begin by writing the HLOOKUP function. As you can see, the HLOOKUP function has four parameters. The first parameter we will enter is the value we want to locate in the first row of the table. In this example, let's say I want to search for ID number 55. So I'll click here and then press a comma. The second parameter to enter is the table or the data source HLOOKUP will use. The range we provide must include the first row to be searched for our first parameter value and the row containing our expected results. I'll select the entire table, press a comma, and then the third parameter I need to enter is the position number in the table, where our return value can be found. Always remember that a value of 1 indicates the first row of the table and 2 indicates the second row. Since we are looking for the employee's name and it's located in the second row, I'll select the second row here. Finally, the fourth parameter of HLOOKUP. This is important. This parameter determines whether an exact match or an approximate match will be performed when looking for the first parameter. A value of false means HLOOKUP seeks an exact match, and the value of true indicates an approximate match. Listen to my words carefully. Unless you have a very specific reason to look for an approximate match, you should always choose an exact match. Otherwise, HLOOKUP could bring some unexpected results. Okay, now that we have entered all of HLOOKUP's parameters, it's time to hit enter and observe our results. As you can see, we have got the name of the employee we were searching for. Alright, this was a very simple example of how to use HLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. I have also created a tutorial on how to use the VLOOKUP function in Excel on this channel. You can check that out. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about Excel, Photoshop, and many other software and applications. Thanks for watching this video.